evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly the... Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wilmington County in northeastern South Carolina, northern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lakeview to near Fair Bluff, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Loris, Lakeview, Galavant's Ferry, Fork, Zion, Gateway, Rains, Smithboro, Kipper, Goretown, Bayboro, Allsbrook, Green Sea, Nichols, Carolina's Hospital System, Marion, and Loris Community Hospital. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.